Hey guys, so today I am going to be trading my kitsune pet. I'm gonna put the chair over. So I'm gonna be trading my kitsune named Fluffy. I wanted this game for ages. You know what ages. Ages and ages. By the way, it's named Fluffy. I love the little cute hearts, plus I even have a heart in my name, see? We have cute little Fluffy. So I'm gonna teleport to the gift display. By the way, I'm here with my sister, Beacon Handsome Crown. So I'm gonna teleport. She has her dream pet. I'm very happy that she got it. I'm not sure if I'll get my dream pet, but yeah. Okay. Soon. Not for trade. Never. Cross pair giraffe. Well, I'm gonna trade her. See what she offers. That's not in the game, but she declined. So I'm gonna see if she. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna politely decline. Okay, he declined. Oh, my sister said that. Someone's name is just long tags. Like, seriously. Wait, I got a trade. Let's put up Fluffy. Oh, this is my name, but I don't have an H thing. I don't know. This is full grown, that's junior. I could probably make a neon, but it's sorta hard to get. I don't want. Oh, they took rid of the business monkey. Wait, I'm gonna politely decline it. What's it in trade? Oh my. I'm gonna politely decline that. I think he just wants to make a neon. I'll ride buffalo. I have a buffalo. I'm gonna politely decline this. Okay. Yeah, I don't like to get that offer, though. So. Oh man, this is not the game, but this is going out of the game too. Kitsune for penguin. I'm just gonna say no thank you. Name yours milkshake. Make a neon. Well, I'm not gonna just do Kitsune for Kitsune, cause I want to keep these hearts. Lisa. And ask her if I got any good trade. forgot a trade request. Oh, that's the same person. Just gonna decline it. That was a 200 cheap and the best offer I got was it. I got the same offer and she said nice. Yep, so I'm not lying. So Fly Ride Reindeer, it's full grown. Sarah, I don't know. This is my, yeah, it's Business Monkey. However, I have that trade. I have that trade. I have no idea, so I'm just gonna decline it for now. So I'm getting, she has my name, but a ride potion. Well, it's still in the game, but this is going away. This is more than the potion. It's only 150 Robux. So I'm gonna politely decline it. Okay, I got the player cast from him again. A penguin? I don't want a penguin. I'm gonna decline this for now. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get that neon dragon. Wait, is she yeah. I'm usually okay, but that's not part of this video. We're supposed to be training our kids soon. Not just fooling around and train something else. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is the business monkey. It looks like the ninja monkey. I just love my little puppy. Walking. Oh, I think I lost connection. It's my bedtime. Oh well. Well, that's it for today. Bye guys. See you guys.